Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ulta Beauty, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Ulta Beauty, start by visiting their official website. Look for the sign-in option located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that option to proceed. You will see an option for Create an Account. Click on Create an Account to open the registration page. Fill in your first name and last name in the designated fields. Next, enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you frequently check. Create a password that meets their security requirements. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Provide your zip code to help customize your experience. You may also need to select your preferred communication options. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Once all fields are filled in, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email. Open that email to verify your account. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the registration process. Upon verification, return to the Ulta Beauty website. You can now log in with your new account credentials. Explore the various features available to you as a registered user. Enjoy shopping for your favorite beauty products at Ulta Beauty. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.